Good afternoon. Basically, Hanuman के बाद 8 o'clock में Shri Ganesh, we are delighted to present this. For two reasons. एक तो ये जो team है, they have produced some 600 episodes of Hanuman. And I must tell you, Hanuman won't be known for technology or huge production value, but the editorial, the way the stories was told and the way it was produced had so much of authenticity that we wanted that to continue. Like every story from Indian mythology, there is something that everybody in this country and abroad can take from the story of Sri Ganesh. When we said that he was born not complete, he through his karma and through his guidance of mother achieved what he achieved and became the Pratham Pujani Bhagwan. It's a story of karma, you know, and it has lot of relevance for all of us here and people who are watching at home. So Sony is extremely happy to come up with this show with this editorial team, and this time we have a production value to match the vision of the team. Of course, the big challenge was how to present Sri Ganesh in a way that we worship him. That's the biggest challenge, because every time Sri Ganesh has come on television, the visual is not exactly close to one that we worship. This is our, we have tried our best to present Sri Ganesh in a way that we really worship in our temples, in our Ganesh Mandal, in our everyday life. So hopefully consumer will like it, and hopefully you guys will like it. Thank you. We have to call the artist. I would like to invite the artist.
Hello, can we have Shiv, Malkhan, Akanksha, Uzair? So that's Akanksha, she's playing Parvati. That's Uzair, he's playing Ganpati. That's Basant, he's playing Kartike. And that's Malkhan, Shivji.
Om Gam Gam Ganapate Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya. Buri? So you want to say something? First, I need to thank Abhimanyu sir for having faith in me, Nirupali ma'am, Amitabh sir, Manekya sir, my control team, my production team, my Sony TV. Thank you so much, sir. Danesh sir, for having faith in me that I can play as a Shiva. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is a great opportunity for all of us, especially for me, because this is the second show I'm doing, and this is very grand, and I'm really happy to see all of you here. And thank you so much, Manikya sir, Abhimanyu sir, and everyone, our team, and all of you for coming here. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of our press conference. And I want to thank the entire Contillo team and Sony for having all of us here. You have just seen the promo and the official trailer of our show. The show looks amazing, and it is the first time we are here with motion capture technology. And to see Ganesh ji with this technology will be something larger than life, which this show, Vignaharta Ganesh, offers you. And thank you so much for your support. We already have been getting a lot of messages that you all love our show. The promo is doing very good. So that's it. We all are eagerly waiting for 22nd August. And we...
मीडिया अब हमारे कलाकारों से अपने सवाल...
अब मैं अपने गणेश जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि वो भी आप लोगों को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दें.
Hi, thanks for coming here, and
Any questions for the cast and crew? Everybody's here.
Is that a question for me? Which fantasy show? I'm just kidding. So the thing is that, see, when you evolve as a production company also, as you move on, you'd like to tell stories that come from within you. And I think a lot of the history and mythology are great tales to be told, especially in today's day, where everything is going haywire, that these are stories that keep you grounded. One thing that I think we all have missed saying on the stage is that Ganpati is also a story that you will learn a lot in your day-to-day life from. And I think these values need to be taught and need to be told through an entertaining manner to the audiences today. And I think that is what is inspiring us as a team also to tell stories again and again. Also success, but we leave it up to Ganpati.
Bigger success.
Like I mentioned, there are a couple of things. One is that obviously the editorial take, which is why he came, how he came, and his journey. That's editorially, we're talking about the life of Ganpati. And second is obviously the technology that is going to make that possible now for us. Even if you look at, motion capture being one, and this show also promises that you are going to see the visuals of the whole world. So there's not only Shivlok, there's Brahmalok, there is Patal Lok, different loks. You will get to see it in a very refreshing manner with very refreshing takes to every character, new philosophies. The best part about mythology is that it can be interpreted again and again in different ways. And that is what, for today's generation, I think, how the story has to be told again and again, means for this generation today, is what we have set out to do.
Yeah, hello, Abhimanyu. Your show commences telecast during the Ganeshotsav week. So was this a conscious decision or was it a coincidence?
So I actually, like I said before, that it's taken us the longest time. So I think Ganpati said that you were to telecast it now. So it's happened out of coincidence, but it is obviously, I would say, a blessing from Bappa.
At the same time, you spoke about the special effects. If you can explain me that kind of effect. And second, गणपति ऐसे भगवान है जिनके बारे में शायद हर कोई जानता है, बच्चा भी हो या बड़ा भी हो, हर कोई अपने घर में हर साल आते हुए देखता है, नहीं भी देखता है तो पास में आते हुए देखता है, तो वो जानी पहचानी स्टोरी को वापस से लोग देखेंगे, ये भी तो एक चैलेंज होगा.
अच्छा पैप, जो आपका पहला प्रश्न है मैं उसका आंसर देता हूँ कि आप विजुअली जब आप शो देखेंगे, जो आपने अभी विजुअल्स देखे हैं, उसमें आप देखेंगे कि हमने जो विजुअल्स विजुअलाइज किए हैं वो हमने डिफरेंटली विजुअलाइज करने की कोशिश की है. मैं कैलाश को एक पहाड़ से चेंज नहीं कर सकता हूँ, पर ये फ्लोटिंग माउंटेन है, जैसे वो आप पहाड़ों के थ्रू जाएंगे और फिर आपको through the clouds you go and you suddenly see a floating mountain, and within that floating mountain you have Kailash. Now this is new visualization. So that is one aspect that we have tried to achieve in all different aspects of the different loks, the different vahans. First time you'll get to see every vahan of every god being a 3D character. Jaise Ganpati's head is 3D, even the peacock of Kartikeya is 3D, and so on and so forth. The second is that the beauty of these stories is that they've been written by such fantastic writers like Ved Vyas, that you can tell these stories not once, twice, 10 times, and every time you can have a new interpretation. And that interpretation should be very, it should impact your life and should be, something which is relatable to your day-to-day, even today.
जैसा everyone thinks ना गणपति रेडीमेड
और भी कई mythological show है. So whenever a mythological